Hello and welcome to Fabulous Adventurers. Today's adventure is a self-care adventure, and it is with a new subscription box that I haven't done before called Single Swag. I haven't done this one because I'm actually not single. But I liked the products that I saw so much, and there was a great sale, which I'll tell you about later, that I just decided that I would do it just this once, just to try it out. They do have a great community for singles on Facebook. It is a great vibe for singles, but the products, and particularly this month, I really wanted them. So I don't think they'll mind taking my money, even though I'm actually not single. I don't think so. So let's get down to it. This is the Single Swags box, and I have everything kind of pulled out because my videos tend to be really long because I talk so much. So I kind of pulled everything out, and I like to use the products first before I show them to you to tell you a little bit about them. So they're all out and ready to go. This is Single Swag. It is a $39.99 is the price per month. For a larger box that's 7 to 8 full items, and they have a smaller box that is 4 to 5 full items for $24.99, and shipping is free. So we will get right down to the box. Where should we start? I think we'll start with this. This is a travel mug. Oh, and it does come with a card also that talks about all the products and how much they cost, which is nice. This, I believe, retails for $22. It holds 16 ounces. It's been great for me. I'm working on my water intake, and I thought it might be too small, but it's really not. It works just fine for me. I like it too. I have sensory needs, and I can do this when I'm stressed or whatever, when I'm talking. Yeah, it's really nice. It twists off. I got water in there right now. And it says good vibes only, which I have to say the day that I got this was a difficult day in our country's history. I'm not going to get political or anything. Don't worry. But I brought it to school the next day, and it was a good reminder to me. I work with small children, and good vibes are important. I kind of wish it just said good vibes, not good vibes only, because we can't always have good vibes. It isn't the only thing. Sometimes we're sad. But there is a time, like when you're at work with your kindergartners, that you got to focus on them and those good vibes and leaving everything else over here. So this was helpful for me. And, self-care is really important right now, right? That's kind of why I've gotten into it. And it has been very helpful. So this was helpful, and also helpful in keeping me hydrated. I have a new app with a water goal that this is kind of helping me with that. So really a nifty little helpful product to start us off. The next product is the reason that I got this. It is the Facial Cooling Globes. Pivotal is the company, I believe. And this is what they look like. I already popped them out. They're kind of hard to pop out. You put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes. I actually put them in a little longer, but you can't leave them in there. And they're supposed to help lots of things, right? For puffy eyes, and you can roll them. And they're supposed to help with wrinkles, and you can do this. There are a lot of YouTube tutorials, and there's kind of two ways to use it. There's the rolling, and then there's also, you can put like a facial oil or moisturizer, and there are tutorials for all sorts of different massages, things to help with your sinuses and, getting the toxins out, and help with your wrinkles and help with migraines, and, solve all the problems of the world with these little things. Not really, but it does feel really good. I do like it a lot. I've been wanting it for a while, since I missed it on a different box that I get. And it did not disappoint. I really like it. These retail for about $30. All right, moving along. What's next? Oh, these cookies, which I'm not gonna lie, these really kind of caught my eye as well. This retails for $4. They are similar to like an Oreo with covered with white chocolate and cookie crumbs inside. I'll be honest, this is my third attempt to do this video, and I had a cookie and I ate it in the video, but I can't eat anymore because they're like 100 calories. So you'll just have to look at the picture now. There are still some left, but I mean, yeah. So they're good. There's a slight like waxiness a little bit, but they're pretty good. A nice little treat. Single Swag, I think, always has a little snack, which is kind of fun. Nice. All right, next product is this hair wrap that you can see this diagram. It has all these different ways that you can wear it. And I've been using it for I don't have anything for when I put since I'm in doing all this, like when I cleanse my face and stuff like that, I don't really have anything like this. So that, it's not, I mean, it's all right. You can do a lot of different things with it, but that's what I've been doing with it. And then it keeps the hair out of my face when I use my creams and such. All right, next, a lash serum. I have short, stubby eyelashes. Also, this box was just meant for me. I had to get it. I've used serums before. They don't have as cool of a container. I've used this a couple times. I think it is working. It's like that, and you just put it on your lashes. It's really easy to use, and it does make them, it lengthens them. It does. At least when you have really short, like I have nowhere to go but up, so it's a great little product. I think that retails for $22. This was like $18, I believe. All right, next product is this hand lotion, Manna Kadar Luxe Bath and Body Collection Moisturizing Hand Cream. And it has lotus in it, and my daughter thought it was really floral smelling. To me, it smells very citrus, but not overpowering. I actually really like it. I find it refreshing and rejuvenating, and it's light. I use like a thick at night. It's a body butter actually, and it's very relaxing. And so I use that at night, but I think this is good for the morning. I really like that. It's rejuvenating, wakes me up. And I believe, what was this one? Where did I put the card? We know it was here because I used it, right? Oh, I don't know what I did with it. I believe this is around $22. I just had it. I'm worse than my children. All right. I'm sure it will show up. Am I sitting on it? Oh, here it is. It fell on the floor. All right. Now we can get down to see what that real price is. The lash serum, did I say that's $22? And the moisturizing hand cream is $20. And did I show you this? It's got all the descriptions and the prices. Helpful. Next, we have a toner. Lots of boxes that I get seem to have toners in them. So apparently it's something I'm supposed to be using. And I have been. I still don't really understand them. So I have tried it, and this has tea tree oil in it, and that it did not, to me, tea tree oil sometimes can be really strong, and it didn't bother me at all. It didn't. I've had another one that I felt like it felt rejuvenating. This didn't, but it wasn't bad either. So I haven't used toners long enough to be able to say, wow, that really does something for me. But I think it's a nice product. And, it has all natural things and all that good stuff. And it is aloe plus tea tree toner, and it retails for $28. The next thing is this soap gem, which of course it came in really cute packaging and everything, but I I wanted to show you. It actually has 24 karat gold in it. It's pretty. It's watermelon and acai. And it has a very light scent. It's not overpowering at all. It lathers really well. What I really like, I actually use it as a hand soap. I've used it in the shower too, but I like hand soap. And I kind of use it like I do this and this. It's very ergonomic, and yeah, I give myself a little massage when I'm washing my hands, which we're all washing our hands 5 million times, right? So it's nice to have something kind of relaxing and rejuvenating at the same time, like with all of the hand washing that I do all day long. So fun item. I believe it retails for about $14. Okay, and my last, I think this is my last item. Did I cover everything? Are these bracelets that I'm wearing. And I didn't notice this until today. There's a cute little elephant on there. Now, it remains to be seen if I can pull this off. I'm 51 years old. I don't know. My daughter said, you work with kindergarten and first graders, so they would enjoy it. And that's true. They would enjoy the elephant. So, yeah, I can say, sure, yeah. But I think they're pretty. And they also come with these. This is 2 separate ones as well that I haven't put on yet. But, yeah. And those retail for like $50, which seems like a lot to me. But pretty cute. Pretty fun. So that is the whole box. I hope that I got everything. It had a lot in it, didn't it? Did I do everything? I got the gem, the cookies, the bracelet, the mug, the bandana, the toner, serum, cream. Yep, I got it all. I did want to tell you also that there is a code right now. I believe it's good through the end of January. I hope. I believe. You can try it. And it's newest, all capital letters, NEWEST, for 40% off. And that's what I did. So I got all of that for about $25, which I think is pretty fantastic. And that is the single swag box for January. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these fun products. And if you liked what you saw, it would be great if you could subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Have a great day.